Welcome back to the channel, everyone. CryptoTakeOver here, coming back with another Bitcoin cryptocurrency video for you today. We're going to take a look at articles going over Visa maybe accepting cryptocurrency payment settlements. So it looks like that has been confirmed now. We're going to take a look at this article by CNBC News, see what's going on there with Visa and it allowing crypto settlements now. And then also we're going to go over the charts. Bitcoin right now hovering right at about $58,000. So we had seen a nice little skyrocket of price over the past 24 hours here since our previous video, and we're going to see if we're going to continue this bullish momentum or if we may be finding a little bit of resistance at this $58,000 level. And if you remember in previous videos, we were talking about $58,000. So want to make sure to jump over into the charts here in a second, but let's go ahead and cue that intro and get started here with our article. All right, folks, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way y'all can stay updated every single video that we make on this channel each and every single day. And going over our article here, Visa moves to allow payment settlements using cryptocurrency. So we've been hearing a lot about Visa in the past couple of months actually wanting to settle in cryptocurrency payments. So let's see if they have actually decided to do this or not. Visa said on Monday it will allow the use of cryptocurrency USDC to settle transactions on its payment network. USDC is the Coinbase stablecoin. So wow, it says it has allowed that now. It was the latest sign of growth acceptance of digital currencies by the mainstream financial industry. Visa said on Monday it will allow the use of cryptocurrency USDC to settle transactions on its payment network, the latest sign of growing acceptance of digital currencies by the mainstream financial industry. Visa has launched the pilot program with payment and crypto platform Crypto.com and plans to offer the option to more partners later this year, it said. Okay, so Crypto.com, obviously, I believe that they started their own mainnet too as well, and branched off to be their own blockchain now. And there's a lot of things going on with Crypto.com, folks. So if y'all are interested in that, obviously, be sure to check out that coin too. The USDC is a stable cryptocurrency whose value is pegged directly to the US dollar. Visa move comes as a major financial firms, including BNY Mellon, BlackRock, and MasterCard have embraced some digital coins, sparking predictions that cryptocurrencies will become a regular part of investment portfolios. Tesla boss Elon Musk said last week that customers can buy its electric vehicles with Bitcoin, marking a significant step forward for the cryptocurrency use in commerce. We see increasing demand from consumers across the world to be able to access, hold, and use digital currencies, and we're seeing demand from our clients to be able to build products to provide the access for consumers. Kay Shutliff of crypto at Visa said, traditionally, if customers choose to use Crypto.com Visa card to pay for a coffee, the digital currency held in cryptocurrency wallet needs to be converted into traditional money. Cryptocurrency wallet will deposit traditional fiat currency in a bank account to be wired to Visa at the end of the day to settle any transactions, adding cost and complexity for businesses. Visa's latest step, which will use the Ethereum blockchain, strips out the need to convert digital coin into traditional money in order for the transaction to be settled. Interesting. So yeah, as of right now, and here let's take a look at this last paragraph. Visa said it has partnered with digital asset bank Anchorage to complete the first transaction this month, with Crypto.com sending USDC to Visa's Ethereum address at Anchorage. And so right now, yeah, you do have to convert. There is no automatic process for you to convert the cryptocurrency to be able to have it spent. So usually you have to convert it back. You have to convert it into USD onto the card. And I've been a user of Crypto.com for a while now too as well. And I like the platform. You know, the staking rewards on there with the CRO token are great. You get free Spotify, free Netflix, and they reimburse you every time that you make a payment to those subscription services too as well. So definitely some cool stuff going on here. Obviously, it is kind of a hassle sometimes to have to convert the crypto into USD. I did forget one time on one payment, so I had to go back in there and reschedule that payment again. But it is a process to make sure that you are converting the right amount into USD coin or into just regular USD. And so obviously Visa here saying now it's going to automatically convert that into USDC for its customers, and then basically you don't have to worry about that transaction manually transacting. It'll be automatic to a certain extent. So we'll have to see how this is going to play out. It still looks like they're trying to develop it for more platforms, not just Crypto.com. and we're gonna kind of keep us posted on this to see what's gonna happen here. I'm sure I'll get an email from crypto.com informing us what's going to be happening here in the near term future, so maybe you'll be getting that same email too as well. And the CRO token has been performing pretty well for the most part, so pretty excited to be a holder of the CRO token and to see that kind of take off too as well. So folks, if y'all are interested, don't forget, if you want to learn about some of our altcoins that we're getting into, check out our private trading group page. If you want to pay with debit or credit card, you can use the payment processor through Patreon, but everything that we post is on Discord, so make sure you have a Discord username. That way you can get access to all the posts that we make on Discord. And so then we're going to jump on over into the chart, see what's going on with Bitcoin right now as it's hovering around the $58,000 level. So let's jump on over here. Taking a look at the daily chart, folks. As you can see, Bitcoin right now is sitting right above $58,000 or so, wanting to possibly break through into that $60,000 range. As you can see here, we did get a little bit of a rejection here on our blue line, which is right at about $58,000. We did come in touch with our resistance yellow line here too as well. And now we're going to see if we can get a bounce above it. Let's see if we can break through this or not. Here in the near term future, we are taking a look at the daily chart as of right now. Market Cipher B has also given us a green dot down here. Which does look like our momentum wave is ready to push above our zero pivot point, which is going to be a relatively bullish move. That's why I think that we are going to probably see a new high going on into April as well. But let's see what happens here. VWAP still kind of moving off to the side. We do have big mountain momentum waves, anchor waves here. Let's see if we can get this anchor wave to possibly get above our 90% level and possibly maybe touch this dotted line up here. That would mean that Bitcoin definitely is going to make a nice rally in the near term future, but we'll have to see and wait to see what happens. As of right now, the fact that we're getting above the zero pivot point here and our momentum waves moving above through that is definitely going to probably indicate a nice bullish rally for the rest of this week. So we'll have to see. VWAP kind of still moving steadily to the upside. Money flow is looking really, really good here too as well. If we kind of zoom in just a tad bit, also I did want to point out that on our candles here with our TI sequential, it does look like our bullish count is continuing here with a 3, and then also an extended count with a 4 too as well here on the bottom. So things are looking pretty good. We do have our buy signal that has popped off on our 12-hour chart too as well. I was taking a look at this earlier. Money flow actually on Market Cipher B is also starting to recover just a tad bit. We did get the push above our zero pivot point on our 12-hour chart too with our momentum wave. So things are looking really, really good here, folks. As far as our candles are concerned, it does look like we are wanting to make a close above our resistance trend line here, our yellow resistance trend line, and now we're going to have to break through this sell wall at about $58,000 or so, and then possibly see that wall at about $61,000 next. So not out of the woods just yet, but it does look like we are starting to clear out the pathway for a move to a new all-time high in April, and I think that that is relatively going to occur. If we take a look at some of our higher time frames, such as our 3-day chart, our 3-day chart wants to put in a green dot probably by the end of this week. Our VWAP on our Market Cipher B is also indicating that it looks like it's ready to cross above the zero pivot point, and once our VWAP crosses above the zero pivot point, we get a green dot. I do expect our momentum waves to start moving back to the upside. So things look relatively good here, folks. 2-day green dot possibly ready to signal sometime pretty soon too as well. But yeah, our higher time frames are still looking relatively good, folks. I do think that we'll probably consolidate out right above this $58,000 level for a little bit longer, and then possibly have a break above that and want to get a close above it too as well. Higher time frames look good, folks. I think this is going to be clear skies probably going on into the rest of this week, I believe, and then altcoins will probably be making a substantial move after Bitcoin kind of settles off here too as well. We've already started to see some of our alts take a nice move too as well to the upside. And so folks, don't forget, if you want to learn about more of those alts that we're getting into, and then also stay up to date with our setups that we have inside of our private category on our Discord server, you can join through Patreon if you want to pay with debit or credit card. Make sure you link your Discord account to Patreon, so that way you can automatically get a role assigned to you and view those posts inside of the Discord page. And then if you want to pay with crypto, message me on Discord and I'll get you all set up and make sure that you get a role assigned to you that you can view all of our private posts on the private categories in the Discord server. So with that being said, folks, we're going to go ahead and keep this a short, relatively nice video for you today on this Monday morning, and I look forward to seeing y'all back on the next one. And with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way y'all can stay updated every single video that we make on this channel each and every single day. Check the links in the description box below if you want to help support the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. CTO signing out. Peace.